What's up? I know it's been a long time since I've posted. I gotta head over to the post office because I have a bunch of orders from my Etsy store that I gotta drop off. But yeah, that's a little transway.
You stupid.
They're not.
I don't know, that's a transition, there you go, to the subject and the title of this video, which is why you should sell on Etsy. So the van's been sitting for about 2 weeks and the battery's dead, which I should have known better. I have this portable charger thingy I bought from Harbor Freight. Gonna jump start it real quick and yeah, let's get on the road. Yeah. All right, let's go. Oh, that tastes like shit. First of all, a lot of you may not even know what Etsy is. And long story short, Etsy is just a place where sellers like myself make custom-made items for people that might need something for a specific reason, or just something that's handmade versus going to Amazon and having something that's just mass-produced that you can just buy on Amazon. Oh, it's fucking hot in here. Before I get into why you guys should be selling on Etsy, let me just show you guys, and again, this is not a flex at all. This isn't me trying to brag or whatever, but I want to show you guys the money I've made from my 2 Etsy stores in the last 30 days.
Let me show you the super flex, baby. Get the filler. Get the filler.
I am not flexing. I just want you guys to know that this is legit advice from a full-time seller on Etsy. So the first reason why I think you guys should open up an Etsy store is strictly for that small target of people that shop on Etsy. A lot of people only shop on Etsy when they need stuff like that. They won't go to Amazon. They prefer handmade goods because a lot of the times it's better quality. I hate to say that, but it's true. You also find some bad stuff, but on Etsy it's usually more unique, because, you know, someone selling on Etsy isn't particularly going to have those items on Amazon, you know, just because small businesses don't really, I don't know. It's kind of hard to explain, but you have a special demographic of customers that you can reach from your Etsy store. So the second reason is how easy it is to get started. You can think of Etsy as your own website. Yes, they do take a fee, but I'm gonna get into that a little later. But literally, it will take you guys 10 minutes from opening an account to making a listing, and then you have a potential stream of revenue just depending on your niche, what you're making, and if there's a need for it. And it gets difficult to see, you know, it's a lot of trial and error when it comes to selling. But, you know, strictly just being 10 minutes of your time to having a listing to where, you know, thousands, maybe even hundreds of thousands of people can see your product, just depending on how unique and, you know, in demand it is. So yeah, that's number 2, is definitely how easy it is and how Etsy basically sets you up to succeed by you know, making your listing on their platform. So the third reason is how inexpensive Etsy's fees are. I believe it's 5% of every sale they take, which to me is super cheap. I used to sell on eBay, and I think eBay was around 12%. So, you know, when I found out Etsy was actually 2.5%, but they bumped it up not too long ago to 5%, I'm glad to pay that. That's like still nothing compared to eBay and a lot of other places where, you know, you can sell your items. So the next reason why you guys should sell on Etsy is the way Etsy has their marketing options set up. You can have a listing or a bunch of listings and not pay for this optional marketing tool that they offer, but you'd be missing out on one of the biggest hidden gems on Etsy. I pay maybe about $1, $2 a day, but what that does to my listings, it actually gets it promoted on Google Shopping. So if you go to Google, you type in Big Head graduation, and then you go to shopping, you look through that list, you're gonna find me on there. And to me, that's worth the $2 because I look back at my, I guess, I don't know what it's called, marketing analytics, and the amount of orders I get from this tool makes it way worth it. I'm not gonna break it down, but I maybe make, I don't know, maybe about 15 to 20% of my sales from this tool, and I'm spending almost nothing for this, and I'm getting constant new business just from this tool alone. So that's one big huge perk of selling on Etsy. And this next reason is huge. It's one of my favorite things about Etsy. It's how Etsy handles disputes when customers complain about items. Again, I'm going back to eBay. eBay will 99% of the time, in my experience, decide in favor of the buyer. So, you always hear about sellers getting scammed from customers and all this crazy stuff. But honestly, in my experience, I think Etsy has always had my back. I've had tons of customers say like, hey, I never got an order. And then they try to get a refund. They opened up a case with Etsy, and then Etsy's like, no. There's a tracking number on this order. It shows delivered. You got your order. Case closed. This happens all the time. So yeah, that's a huge reason. And I know for a lot of you guys wanting to open up a store, you may not be thinking about that now, but trust me, once you open a store and you guys start getting sales and you see it happening to you, you're gonna be very grateful. Another reason is Etsy pays you out every other day if needed. You can set it up to be once a week, I think every other week, but I have it set up to every other day I get paid, which is huge. As a small business owner, you don't wanna wait a week or two for a check. If you want to wait 2 weeks to get paid, go get a regular job. But running your own business, I think it's a huge plus to be able to have access to those funds. So if you can, you get your money from all the work you've done, you can invest it back into your business, and who knows, maybe buy more of those marketing campaigns and get your stuff seen on Google. So that's a huge plus, is payment. And that brings us to shipping discounts. Etsy has you want to call it a deal, or they have a program. Basically, you ship your items through USPS, you get a huge discount on shipping every time. I think it's like 15%. I don't know exactly, but I'll put it up here. It's very significant discount when shipping items, and money saved is money made. And especially, if you're like me, you have your items set to free shipping to entice buyers to buy from you. That makes a difference, like that extra $2 every item I'm saving over a year is going to add up to a lot of money. And that brings me to the last reason why you should open up an Etsy store. And it's the most obvious, yet a lot of people tend not to focus on this. You're going to be self-employed. You're going to have financial freedom. You're going to be able to work from home. You're going to be able to do all the things that you're going to have the benefits of being your own boss, an entrepreneur. I could seriously make a whole video just based on this topic, but to me, there's nothing better than just being able to wake up, whenever I want, spend maybe 3 to 4 hours on my orders, and then I have the rest of the day to, work on my other stuff. For me, I am actually working on opening an online thrift store, so a lot of my time has been dedicated to that. But I wouldn't be able to even have the money to buy this van, to have the time to make these YouTube videos if it wasn't for Etsy. Etsy has been financially my bread and butter for 3 years, and the fan again. But yeah, I think that's a sign to end the video before I get all sappy. And yeah, I'm spreading all this information to you guys to get you guys motivated, and I hope someone watching this video starts a store. And let me know how it goes. You guys don't forget to comment, and yeah, let me know how you guys feel about the video. I try to put a little bit more production, film and edited this whole thing by myself. So anyways, guys, more videos on the way. The van is ready, so I have no excuse not to film. I'm literally gonna pull up somewhere, film a video, and yeah, 2 videos a week, and I'll see you guys next time. Oh, that's supposed to turn the camera off. Every time YouTubers do that, the camera turns off. Why is it still on? Oh, I'm supposed to press the off button. Oh.